Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to set up AutoPay on Santander Consumer USA. If you don't have a Santander Consumer USA account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for Set up AutoPay. Click on Set up AutoPay. Under Payment Information, you will see a plus icon. Click on the plus icon. Then here, enter all the required information. So in this video, I choose a checking account. If you selected the other option, enter all the necessary information to add your selected payment method. Now, choose a payment amount and select the address connected to your existing account. After selecting, click on Continue. Review the following information. If everything looks good, click on the tick box beside I have read and agree to these terms and conditions and e-sign disclosure and consent notice. Lastly, click on the Confirm Your Plan button. That's how you set up AutoPay on Santander Consumer USA. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.